So today we're going to show you how to upgrade your old desktop computers and at the same time encrypt the data that is on it. So first you need to go find where the data is stored. We have these hard drives. We're going to put this we're going to upgrade this and encrypt it at the same time. Like that trailer, take care of that. Okay, then we put it around here. See if there's anything else in. Oh, there's another hard drive. This one is used as a server or something like that. We got some good. It's there. Get encryption there. That's all good. Okay. Now, then you inspect the case here. You look for any other removable media, you know, just give it a good pull over. Just say, alright, that one, and that one, there, two, okay. And on to the next one, this one's a little more. That's there, haha.